Today, let's try to solve this problem. So we have the third root of 20x plus 22 minus the third root of 20x minus 22, all equal to 2. And we need to find x. So let's get started. Let's begin by subtracting the first term from both sides of the equation. That'll give us negative third root of 20x minus 22 is equal to 2 minus the third root of 20x plus 22. Now let's go ahead and cube both sides to get rid of this radicand. That's going to give us negative 20x plus 22 on the left side, and on the right side we need to use the perfect cube rule to solve. This is the perfect cube law. It states that we need to take a cubed minus 3 times a squared times b plus 3 times a times b squared minus b cubed. So following that rule, on this side we're going to get 2 cubed minus 3 2 squared times the third root of 20x plus 22 plus 3 times 2 times the third root squared minus that third root cubed. Okay, now let's simplify this right side. So this is going to give us 8 minus 12 times our third root plus 6 times that third root squared. And here our third root is being cubed, so we can get rid of that. And we're left with minus 20x minus 22. Simplifying further, we get 6 times third root 20x plus 22 squared minus 20x minus 12 third root 20x plus 22 minus 14. And then let's not forget our minus 20x plus 22 on the left side. Here I just made us a little bit more room. Let's simplify this, make it a little bit easier by substituting. Let's set our third root 20x plus 22, and we'll call that u. And then let's break this down and solve for x, where x would be u cubed minus 22 divided by 20. And you see this is what we get if we isolate x on this side. So we have our u value, we have an x value. That should make things a little bit simpler. So now we should get minus 20x, which is u cubed minus 22 over 20, is equal to 6 times u squared minus 20x minus 12u minus 14. These 20s cancel, so we're left with minus u cubed plus 22. Oh, and I forgot the plus 22 up here. Caught that. Plus 22 is equal to 6u squared minus u cubed plus 22 minus 12u minus 14. That gives us negative u cubed plus 44 is equal to 6u squared minus u cubed minus 12u, and we'll subtract 14 from 22, which will give us plus 8. Let's go ahead and cancel negative u cubed from both sides, and then we'll subtract 44 from both sides. That gives us 6u squared minus 12u minus 36 is equal to 0. Now, if we factor this, we'll find that u is equal to 1 plus square root 7 and 1 minus square root 7. Now let's substitute back our original u value. So starting here, we have the cube root of 20x plus 22 is equal to 1 plus square root 7. Let's cube both sides to get rid of the radicand. That gives us 20x plus 22 is equal to 22 plus 10 times square root 7. Subtract 22 from both sides, gets rid of that. So we have 20x is equal to 10 times square root 7. We'll divide 20 on both sides, and that gives us x being equal to 1/2 square root 7, or square root 7 over 2. And that's our final answer. Thank you for watching.